What do we have? We have Allah, and besides Allah, we have nobody. Don't expect people to come to you. Allah will come to you. Continue knocking on His door. Continue worshipping Allah. Don't ever say, when is this going to end? Because you're questioning Allah. But continue to ask Allah, oh Allah, keep me alive for as long as you know life is better for me. And take me away when you know it is better for me to go. And oh Allah, in the interim, make easy for me my world, the worldly life, because I have to live here. Another sunnah dua of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, where he said, Allahumma aslih lana deenana alladhi huwa ismatu amrina. Oh Allah, make good for us our faith, because it is the main issue of our affairs. It is the main affair, the main matter of our lives.